Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Toyota Prado handbrake. First, let's prepare for the task. A properly functioning handbrake is crucial for your safety and the vehicle's performance. Before you begin, ensure you have all the necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and wheel chocks. Always work on a flat, stable surface and use appropriate safety gear to prevent accidents. This preparation step is vital for a smooth adjustment process. Now, let's access the handbrake mechanism. Begin by safely lifting the rear of your Toyota Prado using a hydraulic jack. Once lifted, immediately place sturdy jack stands under the vehicle's frame for secure support. Next, carefully remove both rear wheels. This provides unobstructed access to the brake assembly. You will then need to locate the handbrake cable equalizer, which is usually positioned underneath the vehicle, near the rear axle. With access gained, it's time to perform the adjustment. First, locate the lock nut on the handbrake cable equalizer and loosen it. Then, carefully tighten the adjustment nut. You should tighten this nut until you feel a slight, consistent drag when you manually rotate the wheel hub. After this initial adjustment, ensure the handbrake lever engages fully within a range of 3 to 7 audible clicks for optimal performance. Finally, let's complete the process with some crucial checks. Reinstall both rear wheels securely and then carefully lower your Toyota Prado from the jack stands. Once on the ground, test the handbrake's effectiveness on a slight incline to ensure it holds the vehicle firmly. Also, confirm that the handbrake fully releases, allowing the wheels to spin freely without any dragging, which indicates a successful adjustment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.